She alive. We are in here. All right, guys. So here we are. FIFA 2026. Atlanta. It's again going on. I gotta watch it again, guys. I gotta go root for all the teams. Okay. So we have where you get your food and your drinks. Let me just show you around a little bit. Okay, Southern Company is here representing. Of course, Home Depot is here. I don't know what they got. Okay. What Home Depot have? Oh, okay. Okay. Hi, how are you? What's going on about Home Depot?
We got just a couple cool activities. We got like a painted by number over here. You can win some prizes. We got fans that we're giving out. You get to sign. Little penalty shootout.
Okay.
Just watch the game.
Okay. Sounds good. So you see, we are Home Depot got their place. Okay. Okay. I can sit here. I watch the game. Nice. Come on, let's show you around some more. Then we got to show you around, right? Thanks for coming in, y'all. So, okay, I learned that from Home Depot. So if you need a weight, you just get some Home Depot pocket and get the quick sand at the place and put it in, and then you got to wait. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one right there. Okay. What are they doing about America? They better be giving us some Visa card for them to have this line. Otherwise, why this line? Are they giving out Visa card? What's up? Bank of America, what's up? Okay. Yeah, no, go to presents. Yeah, don't draw. Coca-Cola here. Of course, the peach state. We are in the peach state. You see the big giant peach right here? Atlanta. The big giant peach. Atlanta, the peach state. Thank you. Okay. What else they got? What else they got?
Four passes. They've done well at that match, and they ever have done before. 611 to this point. To 567 against Morocco. The last edition, of course, they were knocked out. We've seen changes here. Rafael Leao.
Hi, guys. Welcome to FIFA 2026 Fan Fest at La Atlanta Downtown Centennial Olympic. We gotta go enjoy the game. See y'all later. Bye.